Hello everybody, welcome back. You found the Drunken Sailor channel. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor. This is the place where we sip, we stir, we shake, we take and taste some of the best tasting cocktails on all 7 seas. Well, today I think I've got one for you that is bright, it's floral, it's spicy, I think if you like tequila drinks, this could be your next favorite tequila cocktail. Today, we are making a Hibiscus Ginger Margarita. Let's get pouring. Well, here's what you're going to need for this cocktail. Some agave nectar, that's going to sweeten it up. We're going to use some fresh lime juice. We are using some ginger. We are using some hibiscus syrup. We have got some Grand Marnier and orange liqueur. And of course, the star of the show, tequila. Simple ingredients, great flavor. Well, let's start building. So the first thing we've got going in that glass is some nice fresh ginger. So I'm going to take 2 slices. Let's cut those up. Nice big knife, nice sharp knife. Still got 10 fingers. I'm doing pretty good today. I've got my 2 slices of ginger and I need my shaker glass. Those are going in the shaker glass. I'm going to start off with my lime juice, and I am going to use in there 1 ounce of lime juice. I want to put a little bit more liquid in there, so next what I'm going to do is a 1/2 ounce of the hibiscus syrup. This is a simple syrup that I take hibiscus tea leaves and we steep them in there. It gives it that nice tart floral flavor. It's actually pretty bright. And we're going to put a 1/2 ounce in there for now. I'm going to keep this around handy because we're actually going to add it again in the final step. Now what I want to do, since I have some liquid in there, I'm going to muddle those ginger slices. And at this point, you're starting to smell some of that spicy ginger. That's what we want. That aroma is just delicious. All right, I've got my ginger in there. Now what I need to do is we'll put 1 more sweetener in there. We're going to throw our agave in there. We're going to use a 1/2 ounce of agave. And this is, like I say, it's going to sweeten it up. And agave is a nice natural sweetener in there, so no additives to it. And now we start to put some alcohol in there. Today, I'm going to use Grand Marnier. I'm using a 1/2 ounce. You want an orange liqueur. If you have Cointreau and you like that, you can use it. If you have a dry Curacao or triple sec, you can use any one of those. It's really one of those things that are up to you. We're going to put in there 1/2 ounce. Now, this cocktail is a rock star, and like any rock star cocktail, you need a rock star liquor. We are using Cabo Wabo Tequila, Blanco Tequila. This is Sammy Hagar's brand. It actually was the first celebrity tequila out there. And just like Sammy Hagar, it's the best out there. Everybody's been chasing them, but nobody can catch them. 2 ounces. That is everything we need in the shaker, except the ice. Let's ice it up. Let's chill it down. Pop the top on that. Let's give this a great big shake. All right, you can see it's nice and condensed on the side of it. That means that it's nice and cold. We've got it cold, we've got it mixed. Now, I'm going to pour it. Got my rocks glass. Now, if you want to, you can salt the rim on this. But when you see the color on it, I'm going to let the beauty of the cocktail speak for itself. We're not going to salt it. Let's fill this glass with some ice. Add a little bit more ice. It might be a hot day where you're at today. And now, because I have those little pieces of ginger in there, we've got that fresh lime juice, we're going to want to double strain this. Put that on top, pour it. We're almost to the top, but you know what? As I said before, we were going to use a little bit more of that hibiscus syrup. And what I want to do is just we're going to pour a little bit more syrup in there. It's going to sweeten it up a little bit more. but it's also going to give us a nice, beautiful ombre effect. We're going to put that aside. We've got two things left to do to this one. The first one is we're going to garnish it, and the second, we're going to taste it. Oh. The first thing that comes through is the tequila. And I do love the Cabo Wabo Blanco. It is absolutely amazing taste to it. It's nice, it's smooth. You've got that rich agave flavor coming to it. The agave sweetens it up. That hibiscus brightens it and gives it a little bit of tartness to it. And that ginger, that ginger gives it a little bit of bite on the back end. This one is an amazing taste and sipper for any hot day. And I got a feeling I'll be making another one of these today. So cheers, everybody.